All right, today we're going to talk about campaign grouping and some campaign intelligence. All right, if you are in your calendar, you may see some campaigns like this where we have auto-grouped emails and SMSs together based on themes and context. And you may already have seen, if you have a new product launch, we've been able to group all your emails and social posts and SMSs associated with your product launch into one campaign. Occasionally, we get it wrong. And if we do, this is an easy way for you to rearrange items and also teach Marklo how you want your campaigns to be grouped. So for example, in this case, this is a social post. I really actually want it to be part of the new product launch campaign. So I'm going to move it into this campaign grouping. And if I'm able to do that, then I can see how my entire campaign performed across all my various channels. So it's easy to drag and drop these elements into the right campaign. Maybe this one actually is part of a campaign I did later on, and I actually want this to start over here, and I want this first email to be part of this campaign, which right now is called May Sequence. I want to rename that, so you can actually click on the campaign and it will open up the campaign brief, and I can rename this into a spring trend sequence. Let's call it that. All right, and so that's going to be renamed in my calendar, and I can now see that all my elements are correctly grouped into my product launch and my core campaign. Speaking of which, let me fix that and make this a core campaign by assigning campaign type to your various campaigns, whether it's core, new, discounts, or just general storytelling. That helps Marklo also get more intelligent about recommending stronger and better campaigns for each purpose. And then again, you can easily drag some of these campaign borders around so you have a nice clean calendar and everything is the correct campaign groupings. And that's how you should be grouping all your campaigns together. Trust me, it'll be really helpful when you're doing post-campaign performance reports and everything's automatically tallied up and calculated for you. All your analytics flow through. So do this today, get your campaign grouping right, and you won't regret it.